Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Snapchat app on your iPhone or iOS device if it's not working. This video is going to have multiple solutions. So basically I have the Snapchat app on the bottom left of my home screen right here, and when you click into it, let's say that it's not running or it's loading, it continues to load, or there's just a black screen or something like that, what you can do is back out of the app and then from the bottom swipe up and sort of hold until all of the different apps that are currently running on your device show up right here, and you can flick through them all. But what you can do is basically press and hold on the Snapchat one, press and hold and swipe it up, and that will actually close the application so that you can go back to your home screen, press the Snapchat app and relaunch it, and hopefully that fixes the problems right there. Next up, what you need to make sure of is that you have a good stable internet connection, and you can go to the settings here to find that out, then go to Wi-Fi, and then look at the internet that you're currently connected to. Are the bars all full? Is it a good internet source? Is it stable? Because the Snapchat app needs Wi-Fi to actually run correctly and get and download information from other users. You can either connect to a personal hotspot or back out of the settings, go to the mobile data, make sure that mobile data is not toggled off, make sure it's toggled on, make sure that roaming is turned on as well. From there, you need to make sure that you're actually running the latest version of the app as well. So go to the App Store, go down to search at the top, start typing in Snapchat, press search, skip past the first advertisement, and here's the Snapchat listing on the App Store. And there's a button on the right hand side. It currently says open. That's absolutely fine. That means that we currently have downloaded the most up-to-date version of the software. There's no update needed. However, if your button does not say open and it says update, that means that you're not running the latest version of the app and you have to press the update button. It will download all the files, reinstall the app, and then you'll be running the most latest up-to-date version of Snapchat. Hopefully everything's been fixed from there, but if it's still not working, you can go back to the settings, go out of here, scroll down to General, find the iPhone storage in the middle of the page, and then we've got to find the Snapchat app. Here it is right here. Click into Snapchat, and then from there, this is where we're going to clear the cache. We're going to clear the cache on this device from the software, from Snapchat. So basically you want to press Offload App, the blue text button, click in there, and then confirm by pressing Offload App again. And that is going to clear all of the cache from using Snapchat on this device. Then you can go and press the Reinstall App blue text button. That is going to re-download the app, reinstall on this device, and hopefully that sorts out all of your issues. However, if things are still not working, then what we can do as a last resort is just completely delete the app by pressing the Delete App red text button within this page, then confirm by pressing Delete App again. And that is going to remove Snapchat from this device. From there, what we need to do to re-download the app is go back to the App Store, find the Snapchat app listing, and then on the right hand side there's a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. Press that and it's going to download Snapchat back on this iOS device. So guys, if you're still having issues, if you still can't fix the problem with the Snapchat app on your iPhone or iOS device, make sure to actually contact Snapchat directly. Find their website, find an email or a help phone number or maybe even a live chat option and walk them through all of the issues that you're experiencing. Hopefully they can help you figure it out. Or as a last resort, if you're still having issues, please comment down below on this video right here, and I will try and help you figure out what's wrong with your Snapchat app and help you come up with a solution. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.